Welcome to this approximately 6-minute tutorial video for Blueflow Onboard. First of all, why has Blueflow been installed on board? In short, it's about keeping up with developments and making work easier, both on board and ashore. Reporting requirements are constantly increasing, and today's shipping companies must provide more data to authorities than ever before. With Blueflow, this information is collected automatically, reducing the need for manual reporting by the crew. At the same time, the system provides a better overview of operations and energy use, allowing both the crew and the office ashore to make better decisions. The goal is not to create more work, but rather to simplify processes, reduce administration, and ensure that the company meets all requirements efficiently. This benefits both you on board and the company as a whole in the long run. Blueflow Onboard is our collective name for the various tools on your vessel. It is part of the Blueflow energy management system and is used as a tool on the bridge during vessel operations. The system provides a clear overview of the vessel's energy use and key operational parameters in real time. Blueflow Onboard also continuously transmits data to the Blueflow online system, where users can perform detailed energy analyses, generate various reports, and monitor the entire fleet. In this tutorial, we will go through the Eco Trip view. The aim is to provide a better understanding of how energy is used during operation. Let's start. This is the Blueflow Eco Trip. In our example, we are looking at a high-speed road ferry that operates its route between two ports multiple times a day. Eco Trip works best for this type of operation. Let's go through how Eco Trip works. The ship's routes are displayed in tabs, one route per tab. A ship can operate multiple different routes each day. The system will automatically detect the ongoing voyage and can display information specific to that voyage. When the vessel has completed a route trip between two ports, the trip is added to the list of completed trips. The list typically shows the trip's start time, duration, distance traveled, and energy consumption. Now it's time to take a closer look at an ongoing route operation. The ongoing route has been detected to be between port A and B. These 2 points show the vessel's position on the route. When the graph is fully drawn, the vessel has reached the end of the route. The route trip will be plotted using 2 graphs. A blue graph showing the speed in knots, and a green graph the economy and energy consumption per trip. This illustrates how efficient the vessel is being operated throughout the entire route. There are also blue and green dashed graphs that show the last time the same route trip was completed. This allows for a comparison of how the vessel is being operated. In our example, the depth beneath the keel is also shown. This can be used to get an idea of how much the depth affects the vessel's energy consumption. Let's take a look at the left side of the screen. Several parameters are displayed here. At the top left, you can see the start time of the route trip, as well as the duration of the ongoing trip. The distance traveled so far is also shown. Historical average represents the average propulsion energy consumption for the current route, based on data from previously completed trips. Trip shows the propulsion energy consumed so far during the current route trip. Port indicates the energy consumption during a port stop. Note that this refers only to propulsion energy. Generators or shore power usage is typically not included. Port energy consumption starts automatically once a port stop has been detected. In this final section, we'll take a look at the parameters displayed at the top of the screen. The 4 parameters on the top row belong to the active voyage trip function. The row below contains optional parameters, which can include values such as current generator energy consumption or the vessel's hotel load. Let's take a closer look at the Eco Trip parameters on the top row. ETA shows the estimated time of arrival for the ongoing route trip. This value is calculated continuously and updates in real time. Progress indicates how much of the route trip has been completed and is also visualized in the graphs. SOG stands for speed over ground and is the vessel's current speed. Economy refers to energy consumption per trip, shown in liters or kilowatt hours per trip. It is calculated based on the distance to the destination and other factors. On the far right, the current time is displayed. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope this walkthrough has given you a clear understanding of how to use Blueflow Onboard effectively. By applying these tools and insights in daily operations, you play an important role in improving efficiency and reducing energy consumption. We wish you the best of luck in your continued energy-saving efforts. If you have any questions or concerns, give us a call at +40 6854 021 680 or email us at support@blueflow.se.